Okay, inside the JVC RC-747W Take 2. There's the other phone. Okay, so it's Wednesday, March 7, 2018. Okay. While I have the deck running, let's see here. I wanted to show. Okay, this is the correct motor that came out of here. Okay, will it focus on that? Anyway, so that's the motor that came out of it. Go this close? I guess not. Alright, fine. Well, anyway, this is a motor I took out of a Panasonic. It seems to work, but it's running too fast. Okay, and I can't adjust the speed. Adjusting the speed doesn't do anything. It just won't go slow enough. So, really hard to find these motors, but this is a 12 volt. This is the original correct motor if it does ever focus. I can't see it in this little screen, but anyway, so that's the motor this thing takes. Okay, it's a big motor. Compared to that, it's a bigger diameter and it's also taller. Alright, so this one's a little short motor that's in here. Alright, anyway, so and then also I finally resolved the power issues this has because it wasn't getting any power, so I replaced this capacitor. I replaced these two power capacitors. I don't have schematics, I'm just guessing, but these are in line with the power supply that goes specifically to the power for the motor here. Alright, and I've gone through a bunch of motors, and then let me see if I can let's see here. If you see that one tall thin black capacitor, that's another one I replaced to get this to work. So it's a total of 4 capacitors that I've replaced in this unit to get the power supply to work, to give the proper voltage to this to make it work. Alright, so this is a so what I'm trying to say is that I have to stop working on this one here, and it'll be a good candidate for one of these because the circuitry does work with the cassette deck, which is what I was trying to prove as well. So that said, I gotta pack it in. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed it. This is my second video, so alright, I've had too much fun. I gotta go. Bye-bye.